All right, an aluminium roof has an albedo of 0.89, which means it's reflective. Like 1 would be a mirror, like a total reflects everything, right? Okay, so 0.89 is the amount reflected. So aluminum, makes sense, right? It reflects a lot. If 1200 watts per square meter of solar radiation is incident on the roof, what's the reflected intensity? What's the absorbed intensity, right? So it's going to absorb 89%, right? Okay, so 1200 times 0.890, that's reflected, okay? It's going to reflect 89% of the energy that it hits it. 1200 times 0.89. That's 1,068 watts per square meter is reflected. Right, and then the question is how much is absorbed? Two ways to do this, right? One way is to go say 1,200 minus 1068. And end up with 132 watts per square meter absorbed. Another way to do it is just take the 1200, this is what I do, and just go 1 minus 0.89. So it's sort of like the complement of the 0.89, right? So 1200 times left parenthesis, because you do this all the time. You want to know how much is absorbed by something, right? 1 minus 0.89. So if they didn't ask you what was reflected and only what was absorbed, you could do this. You could say, and that gives you 132, of course. Anyway, this is what I do, but you can also do this. I mean, if you have already calculated this, then that might be a way to do it too. All right.